What's going on, YouTube? Your boy Sammy B here, back with another video. If you know me, you know I love those little Raspberry Pis. They're so cool. I figured we'd do a quick little current measurement on one of these today, just to see how much power they pull and how long you could run one, you know, like on a battery or something. So I got it all hooked up here to a ATX power supply there. But anyways, I'm powering it with 5 volts, and I am taking a current measurement in line, so it's running in line to the 5-volt pin and then back out to the power supply. So right now, when we boot it up on idle, we're sitting at about 140 milliamps, so pretty much nothing. You see, it's running at idle. There's basically no load on the CPU at all. 140 milliamps. So technically, with a battery like this, let's just say 140 milliamps, that's close to 0.2, or that's close to 0.2 amps, which would be exactly 1 watt, because 5 volts times 200 milliamps would be 1 watt. So for a battery like this with 37.2 watt hours, this battery could charge, or this, not charge, could run your Raspberry Pi 02W at idle for about 37 hours. Now, when we go ahead and stress out the CPU or run our robotics code, this is not our robotics code, but this is the code I'm running on it. It's a simple C++ code that's just gonna load up all of the cores inside of the CPU there, and we're gonna get a current reading on what it's outputting. So I have HTOP opened right here so we can see our CPU load, and right here I've compiled our C++ CPU stress, so we're going to go ahead and run this. Okay, CPU load running. We go back to HTOP, 100% utilization on the C cores, or the not the C cores, the CPU cores. And right here we are seeing about half an amp, 430 milliamps. So what would that be? That would be 2.5 watts of power draw. Now, with a battery like this, about 37.2 watt hours over 2.5, that's what, about 15 hours, something like that. So we could run 100% CPU utilization for about 15 hours. Now, thank you for supporting my channel, and see you in the next one.